Hello friends, in this video lecture I am going to explain some basic question answer which can be asked in mechanical automobile competitive exam. Question number 1. The operation of forcing additional air under pressure in the engine cylinder is known as option A, pre-ignition, option B, turbulence, option C, scavenging, option D, supercharging. So the right answer is option number D, supercharging. So in this sketch, here you can see that the compressor is connected with inlet of engine and the function of the supercharger is to increase the suction pressure of air, and this is called supercharging. So the operation of forcing additional air under pressure in the engine cylinder is known as supercharging. And the application of supercharged engine in racing car, in aircraft, in railway locomotive, diesel engine, etc. Question number 2. The ignition quality of petrol is expressed by option A, octane number, option B, cetane number, option C, calorific value, option D, all of the above. So the right answer is octane number. The ignition quality of petrol is expressed by octane number. While in case of a diesel engine, it will be expressed by cetane number. In case of a diesel engine, the ignition quality of diesel is expressed by cetane number, while in petrol engine it will be expressed by octane number. Question number 3. The mean effective pressure obtained from engine indicator indicates the option A, average pressure developed, option B, maximum pressure developed, option C, instantaneous pressure at any instant, option D, minimum pressure developed. So the right answer is option A, average pressure developed. Question number 4. In diesel engine, the fuel is ignited by option A, spark plug, option B, injected fuel, option C, heat resulting from compressing air that is supplied for combustion, option D, ignition. So in case of a diesel engine, the fuel is ignited by option C, heat resulting from compressing air that is supplied for combustion. In case of a diesel engine, there is no any alternate source for ignition of fuel, while in case of a SI engine or petrol engine, spark plug is used to ignite the fuel. Question number 5. Does the supply of scavenging air at a density greater than that of atmosphere means engine is supercharged? Option A, yes. Option B, no. Option C, to some extent. Option D, unpredictable. So the right answer is option B, no. Scavenging means it is used in two-stroke engine. So in case of a two-stroke engine, escaping the old charge and enter a new fresh charge, it is called scavenging. It is not supercharging. While supercharging is if the compressor is supplied high pressure and high dense air to engine cylinder, it is called supercharging. The function of supercharger is to increase the suction pressure of air. While scavenging means escaping the old charge and enter a new fresh charge, it is called scavenging. So the right answer is B, no. Question number 6. The operation of forcing additional air under pressure in the engine cylinder is known as option A, pre-ignition, option B, turbulence, option C, scavenging, option D, supercharging. So the right answer is the operation of forcing additional air under pressure in the engine cylinder is known as supercharging. We have already discussed in previous slide, what is the function of supercharger? It will increase the suction pressure of air, and it is used in racing car, ship, aircraft, etc. So here you can see that it is connected with inlet of engine, and it will supply the high pressure air in the engine cylinder. It is called supercharging. Question number 7. Which of the following statement is correct regarding normal cetane? Option A. It is a standard fuel used for knock rating of diesel engine. Option B. Its chemical name is normal hexadecane. Option C. It has long carbon chain structure. Option D. All of the above. So the right answer is all of the above. Cetane number is used for rating of diesel engine, while octane number is used for rating of petrol. Question number 8. Which is more viscous, lube oil? Option A. SAE 30. Option B. SAE 50. Option C. SAE 70. Option D. SAE 80. So the right answer is option D. SAE 80. So the meaning of SAE means Society of Automotive Engineers. The meaning of SAE 30 is an oil that has been given a viscosity rating of 30 by the SAE. So, which is more viscous, lube oil? So, according to the number in option A, B, C, D, SAE 30, SAE 50, SAE 70 and SAE 80 is given. So, the higher rating of the lube oil is SAE 80. So, the right answer is SAE 80 is more viscous lube oil. Question number 9. The thermal efficiency of a diesel cycle having fixed compression ratio with increase in cutoff ratio will: option A, increase; option B, decrease; option C, independent; option D, may increase or decrease depending on other factors. So, the right answer is decrease. We know that the efficiency of diesel cycle is, so here RV means cutoff ratio and RC means compression ratio. So in question number 1, the thermal efficiency of a diesel cycle having fixed compression ratio. So here RC remain fixed while RV will change. So RV means cutoff ratio at constant volume in diesel cycle. So the thermal efficiency will decrease because in right hand side in denominator the value of RV will be increased. So the total value of this side will decrease. So it will be subtract from 1. So finally the diesel cycle efficiency will be decreased. Question number 10. Iso-octane has octane number of. Iso-octane, its chemical formula is C8H18. Has octane number of option A 80, option B 90, option C 100, option D 108. So the right answer is option C 100. So iso-octane has octane number of 100. Question number 11. The firing order in an internal combustion engine depends upon option A, arrangement of the cylinders; option B, design of crankshaft; option C, number of cylinders; option D, all of the above. So the firing order in case of a IC engine, it will depend on arrangement of cylinder. It is also depend on design of crankshaft, and it is also depend on number of cylinders. So the right answer is option D, all of the above. So the right answer is option D. Question number 12. 100 cc engine represents following parameter. Option A, swept volume; option B, clearance volume; option C, cylinder volume; option D, fuel tank capacity. We have already prepared one video on diesel engine and petrol engine, at that time I already explained what is swept volume. Swept volume means the traveling distance of piston from one dead center to another dead center. At that time, whatever the volume will be covered by piston inside the cylinder, it is called swept volume. And its equation is Vs equal to pi by 4 d square L, and engine capacity it will be measured in swept volume. So in Volvo bus on backside you can see that the engine capacity is mentioned 9400 cc. So it will represent the swept volume. So the equation of engine capacity equal to N into swept volume, where small n it will represent the number of cylinder while Vs is swept volume. So the right answer is option A, swept volume. Question number 13. An engine indicator is used to determine the following. Option A, brake power. Option B, volumetric efficiency. Option C, thermal efficiency. Option D, mean effective indicated pressure and indicated horsepower. So the right answer is option D, mean effective indicated pressure and indicated horsepower. So the equation of indicated horsepower means IP equal to plan upon 60, in which P is mean effective indicated pressure. Question number 14. The cetane number of diesel oil generally available is option A, 20 to 25, option B, 25 to 30, option C, 30 to 40, option D, 40 to 55. So the right answer is option D, 40 to 55. The cetane number of diesel oil generally available is 40 to 55. Question number 15. The purpose of testing an internal combustion engine is dash. Option A, to determine the information which cannot be obtained by calculations. Option B, to confirm the data used in design, the validity of which may be doubtful. Option C, to satisfy the customer regarding the performance of engine. Option D, all of the above. So the right answer is option D, all of the above. Right answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 16. The maximum temperature in the IC engine cylinder is of the order of option A, 500 to 1000 degrees Celsius, option B, 1000 to 1500 degrees Celsius, option C, 1500 to 2000 degrees Celsius, option D, 2000 to 2500 degrees Celsius. So the right answer is option D, 2000 to 2500 degrees Celsius. Question number 17. The ratio of indicated thermal efficiency to the corresponding air standard efficiency is called option A, cycle efficiency, option B, overall efficiency, option C, relative efficiency, option D, none of the above. So the right answer is option C, relative efficiency. It is a ratio of thermal efficiency to corresponding air standard efficiency. Question number 18. Compression ratio of IC engine is option A, the ratio of volumes of air in cylinder before compression stroke and after compression stroke. Option B, volume displaced by piston per stroke and clearance volume in cylinder. Option C, ratio of pressure after compression and before compression. Option D, swept volume divided by cylinder volume. So the right answer is option A, the ratio of volumes of air in cylinder before compression stroke and after compression stroke. It is called compression ratio. Question number 19. The ignition of the charge by some hot surface within the engine before passage of spark is called. Question number 19. The ignition of the charge by some hot surface within the engine before the passage of spark is called within. Option A, auto ignition. Option B, pre-ignition, option C, ignition delay, option D, detonation. So the right answer is pre-ignition. The ignition of the charge by some hot surface within the engine before the passage of spark is called pre-ignition. Question number 20. Which of the following is the lightest and most volatile liquid fuel? Option A, kerosene. Option B, fuel oil. Option C, petrol. Option D, diesel. We know that petrol is highly volatile fuel. So the right answer is option C, petrol.